Here's a pair of the Soundcore P20i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing is we're going to go to the Bluetooth settings on your Samsung TV. So just go to your home page, click on the home button. And then once you're here, you just want to move over all the way to the left to go to settings. I see settings right down there. I'm going to go down to settings. I'm going to select that. Now I'm going to select all settings right there. Click on that. Now from here, I'm going to go down one to sound. Okay, now you can see sound output. It says going to my TV speaker, but we want it to come out of these. Okay, so let me go ahead and select sound, and then I'm going to select on sound output. Now I'm going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list. I'm going to select on that. And now that little spinny thing up there, it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, so we got to go ahead and put these in the pairing mode. Go ahead and take out the earbuds. And as soon as you take it out, if you put it into your ear, you should hear a chime, ding, it's turning on. And then if it's in pairing mode, you'll hear like ding, 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 ding. Or if you just look on here, if these headphones or these earbuds show up here, then you know it's in pairing mode as well. Okay, mine's not going to show up here because I'm actually connected to a phone. Even though I put these in my ear, as soon as I took it out of the case, I would just hear like beep, which turns off, and then I heard another like beep, meaning it's connected to a different device. So what I have to do to put these in pairing mode here, I'll go to my Samsung phone here. Let me go to settings, Bluetooth, connections, Bluetooth here. And then you can see that P20i is right there. So I can go ahead and turn off Bluetooth there. I can click down here and I can go to unpair or disconnect. If I do any of those three, these will automatically go into pairing mode. Okay, so let me just turn the Bluetooth off. So I just turned it off. Now these should automatically be in a pairing mode. Okay, so let me just look over here. Oh, let me scan again here. Let me rescan. Looks like I took too long. So now it's scanning again. That thing is spinning, and it should be in pairing mode, these here. Let's see if we can find it. See if it shows up. Ah, there you go. P20i needs pairing, it says. Let's select it. Pair and connect. Select that. And now we are connected, ready to go. Now if I move up here, we should be able to see P20i. You can see that it is connected. Now if you had any kind of issues, couldn't get into pairing mode or connection issues, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area.